In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed files in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll be able to bundle supporting documents like spreadsheets, images, or reference PDFs directly inside a single PDF for easy sharing and organization. Start by opening the PDF you want to enhance in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version rather than the Reader, because the attachment feature lives in the Pro toolset. Once your document is open, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct file and page where you plan to show the attachment icon. That will help keep your layout tidy. Next, you'll use Acrobat's Attach File tool. Go to the Tools pane at the top left and choose Edit PDF. This opens a context panel on the right. In that right-hand panel, look under Add Content and choose More, then select Attach File. If you don't immediately see Attach File, use the Search Tools box at the top of the Tools window to look it up, then add it so it's easy to find next time. Acrobat Search is helpful when you're not sure which workspace contains a feature. A system dialog will appear asking you to select the file you want to embed. Navigate to the file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Acrobat will add a copy of that file into your PDF, so keep in mind that your PDF's file size will increase based on the attachments you include. That's normal and expected, since the content is stored inside the document. After selecting your file, click anywhere on the PDF page to place the paperclip icon that represents the attachment. Choose a spot that makes sense contextually, near a related paragraph, a figure, or in a margin where it won't obscure important text. The icon is what your readers will click to access the embedded file, and its placement can make your document feel more polished. If you have multiple files to include, simply repeat the Attach File action and place additional icons where appropriate before saving. When you're done attaching files, save your PDF to preserve the embedded content. This confirms the attachments are bundled with the document and will travel with it when you share it. Recipients can open the attachments by clicking the paperclip icon or by using the Attachments panel in their PDF viewer, though some viewers may show a security prompt before opening embedded files. That's it. You've embedded files directly into your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, creating a single, convenient package that keeps everything together and easy to access.